So what's up, guys? So today we are moving everything over and we're going to connect our setup to a switch. So we're going to be putting our LED light kit up to a switch that we can turn on and off inside our cab at any time that we feel like it. Right now the switch is right under the hood with the little box, so we're going to do that today. Alright, so that's our switch. Alright, so the power's on. So let's see. The lights are on. So let's see with the switch if we turn the switch off. I just hope it doesn't reset the box every time we do it. Switch is off. Alright, so our controller can actually turn it on and off with this button, which it could before. Well, before it couldn't, because you would have to manually come in here to turn the power on. But with the power on and off, at least how it was before, now we can turn it on and off. So we can turn on and off with this. I'm not sure if we could have before we hooked it up to a switch, but the nice thing about it is, you know, once I have it set up, once I have it turned on with this, we just press the button. I can then manually turn it off without the controller. I can use just the regular switch in here. So let's say I forget, let's say I have the lights on or something in a parking lot or something and I forget, you know, at nighttime I'll be able to see that the switch is on, so it'll remind me to turn it off. And let's see if we can turn it on and off now. Yeah, that's what I thought. So this way it's just nice, be able to manually control it a little bit more than before. Okay. Make sure you subscribe. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.